No, it is. I hope not. I did send them some smaller ones this year than normal, though. No, the big one's all the way down here at the bottom. Just take them anyway. You can still get the biggest one later. Don't hesitate. Don't let go.
Yeah, once you go, okay.
Ah, see, you're faster.
Yeah.
How are the baby gators doing?
Good.
Are they growing?
Yeah, they're bigger than last year.
One of them's still pretty little.
Yeah.
Wally, she.
Yeah, he does. Some gnarly teeth sticking out the bottom jaw there. I think that's one of those Oregon gators we got last fall, or last
I
winter.
have one other one I think that has another other too.
Somebody want to jump over the fence and catch it for him?
They have wicked tails. I caught that one in the cheek.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Went all the way around, huh? Grab the tail, grab the tail, grab the tail.
You.
Bridget.
Walking down.
Walking down to the truck. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Smile. Just
Got
big.
water in it.
It's a big fish tank.
You're good at this.
Yep.
Alright, it's the girls' turn now, right?
Yep.
You guys won't get in trouble, right? Okay.
They're covered under workman's comp.
You're gonna Rochambeau for it?
If you chase him forward a little bit past the rock and then jump on him. Come to this side, Jason. Get him to lunge at you. Where's your hat? Need your hat? Oh, mine? Oh. He knows which one of you is scarier. Go ahead, grab the tail. Drag him back where you want him.
Drag in that open spot. 1, 2, 3, pull.
Oh,
Nail him. 1, 2, 3, jump.
jump. Get on it, both hands. There you go.
Hold the neck. Pull him straight back if you can.
Pull him up by his chest if you want, like I was doing to begin with.
There you go.
Kind of get him under control. How's that? Good job, Nicole. All right. And she's closing the mouth. Tilt his head back to 90 degrees now. Push down on the neck so that it's 90 degrees. Well,
There you
see?
go.
See how he twisted out?
Yep.
Okay, push down on his neck.
all the way over the tip.
Yeah, careful.
Let me hold that.
That's the dangerous way.
The best way.
Back to 90 degrees. Push down on the neck. There you go. You got him.
You ready? Yep.
Go quick.
Hold him tight. You got him. Pull it up. Pull it up. Show him who's boss. I like how much faith they have in this duct tape.
Yeah.
They're like 2 wraps. That's enough.
2.5 most.
It must not be the dollar store duct tape we normally use.
All right, hand under his armpit, hand under his body, and pick him up. Or you can do an arm all the way
You
under.
want me to help you with the
There you go.
back end?
Hug him tight. There you go.
There you go. She's got him. Get that arm under the tail instead of the belly. You'll have more control.
There you go. You got it?
Good job.
Let me hand him up to you and you can put him in the water. I'll hand him up to you. I can get him up there pretty high. We had him. There you go. That was a belly flop.
That's all right. He's tough. Good job, Nicole. Woo!
That's good.
Stop it.